हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज़ भारती एंड यू आर वाचिंग लर्न मैथ्स विद भारती। आज के वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे कुछ MCQs फ्रॉम द टॉपिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स और साथ में मैं आपको कॉन्सेप्ट भी क्लियर कराऊंगी। यदि आपका कॉन्सेप्ट अच्छा है तो ठीक है, ये उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जिनका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है, तो मैं MCQs सॉल्व करने के साथ साथ कॉन्सेप्ट भी क्लियर करवाऊंगी। ओके, टुडे आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू कॉन्सेप्ट आल्सो। So without wasting our time, let's jump into the video. Okay, let us read the first question. If three angles of a quadrilateral are each equal to 75 degrees, the fourth angle is, we have four options. We have to choose the correct option. So what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Okay, let us draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral. Okay, suppose I have a quadrilateral. I have a quadrilateral in this way: A, B, C, D. Okay, here it is given that three angles of a quadrilateral are each equal to 75. Means what? Here any three angles you can take as 75. Suppose I take this is 75 degree, this is 75 degree, this angle is also 75 degree. Okay, then what is this angle? This is the question mark. Okay, so let the fourth angle be X. Okay, then now you should know what is the sum of all the angles in a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has four angles and sum of all the four angles is equal to 360 degree. Okay, then we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Okay, now 75 degree plus 75 degree plus 75 degree plus angle D is what? X, 360 degree. Okay, now 75 plus 75 plus 75 is how much? 75 into 3. 3 5s are 15, carry over 1, 3 7s are 21, 21 and 1 22, 225. 225 plus X is equal to 360 degree. It means X is equal to 360 minus 225. It means X is equal to what? 360 minus 225. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now we have 5 here. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 135 degree. It means what is the fourth angle? Fourth angle is equal to 135 degree. So this is how we have to solve it. Suppose this question is given in 2 marks. Okay, suppose it is a 2 marker, then you will do in this way. Otherwise you no need to write all these in detail, all these steps you no need to do. Just you have to do this. There are 4 angles in a quadrilateral. Okay, out of them 3 we know, 75, 75, 75. Just multiply 75 by 3. You will get what? You will get 225. Then subtract 225 from 360. Then you will get 135 degree. Okay. Suppose it is given in MCQ, then you have to use this way. Suppose it is given in 2 marker, then you have to use this way. Clear? I hope you have understood it very well. Now let's move to the next question. Okay friends, now let us read the next question. What is the sum of all the angles of a pentagon? We have 4 options. We have to choose the correct option. Okay. Now let me start with a triangle. Okay, let me explain you all the things properly. It is a triangle, and how many angles does it have? 3. And what is the sum of all the angles in a triangle? We all know 180 degree. Let me draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four-sided polygon, and it has 4 angles. And what is the sum of all the angles? 360 degree. Okay. Now what is a pentagon? Pentagon means 5-sided polygon. Okay, it is a 5-sided polygon. It means it has 5 angles. Okay, now we have a general formula for sum of the angles of any polygon. Sum of the angles of any polygon is, okay, sum of the angles of any polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, now let us verify it for triangle. Okay, so for triangle n is equal to what? 3. So put here 3. 3 minus 2 into 180. Now solve it, simplify it. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 180. 1 into 180 is 180. It means it is true for triangle. Okay. Now let us verify it for quadrilateral. Again I will write here n minus 2 into 180 degree. For a quadrilateral, what is n? N is equal to 4. So here put 4. 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 2 into 180 is 360 degree. It is also true for quadrilateral. Okay. Now the question is, what is the sum of all the angles of a pentagon? So for pentagon, what is then? 5. So now let us find out what is the sum of 5 angles in a pentagon. So I will write the formula here, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now n is 5. 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 into 180 degree. Now 18 3s are 54 and keep 1 0, 540 degree. So sum of all the angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Option C is correct. Okay, so general formula for any polygon, it means sum of the all the interior angles in a polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Clear? Do remember this formula. Okay, now let's move to the next question. Now let's read the next question. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3 is to 4. The smallest angle is, we have 4 options. We have to choose the correct option. Okay. The angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio. So here ratio is given, not the angles. Okay. We have the ratio of the 4 angles. So let us solve it. So ratio of the 4 angles is given. So let the angles are, तो जब रेशियो हमें पता है तो उसको किस तरीके से लिखा जाता है? हमें एक वेरिएबल लेना और उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना. वी हैव टू टेक ए वेरिएबल एंड मल्टीप्लाई to each number. It means let the angles are 1 into x, which is x, 2 into x, 2x, then 3x and 4x. These are the angles of a quadrilateral. The smallest angle is. So here we need to apply only one formula. What is that? The sum of the all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. We know that. Okay. So use here that. So suppose this question is given in 2 marker, then we have to write in detail. We know that sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Okay. So we have to write x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 360 degree. So x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x is what? 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 by 10. Means x is equal to 0 cancel, we will get 36. Okay, this is the value of x. Now what is the question? The smallest angle is, what is the smallest angle? So the smallest angle is also 36, isn't it? Okay, because angles are given in ratio 1:2:3:4, and here angles are x, 2x, 3x, 4x. So 2x will be the greater. So the smallest is 36 degree. C option is correct. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now let's move to the next question. Okay friends, now let us read the next question. In trapezium ABCD, the measure of angle D is, we have 4 options, we have to choose the correct option. So what is a trapezium? Here we have the figure of trapezium. Okay, so what is a trapezium here? What is a trapezium? What do you mean by a trapezium? In a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides is parallel. It means here DC and AB is parallel. Okay, so one pair is parallel. Okay, so it is a trapezium. In trapezium ABCD, the measure of angle D is. So how we will find measure of angle D? So I hope you know friends, suppose we have two parallel lines. Suppose we have two parallel lines and a transversal intersects these two parallel lines. Then see, these are called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay, so the same thing we can see here. Angle D and angle A are co-interior angles. Since DC and AB are parallel and DA transversal intersects. Okay, so here, and one more thing you have to know, that sum of the co-interior angles is 180 degree. Okay, so here in trapezium ABCD, okay, DC parallel, here DC is parallel to AB. DC is parallel to AB and DA is a transversal. Suppose you get this question in 2 marker, you have to write in this way. Otherwise, no need to write all these things, just you have to do the calculation and find out the answer. DA is a transversal, then what? Angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Mention the reason here. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay. Now angle D हमको find करना है और angle A की value यहाँ पे रख दो. Angle D we have to find out और angle A है 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now angle D is equal to 180 minus 55 degree. So angle D is equal to what? 180 minus 55. 10 minus 5 is 5. We will have 7 here. 7 minus 5 is 2. 125 degree. Which option is correct? Option D is correct. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से हमको सॉल्व करना है. यदि ये क्वेश्चन MCQ में है तो ये लिखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है इतना लंबा. ओके, जस्ट you should know what is the sum of the co-interior angles. Sum of the co-interior angles is 180. Just you have to subtract 55 from 180. You will get the answer. Okay. I hope you have understood this concept clearly. Now let's move to the next question. Okay friends, now let's read the next question. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 1:5. Then all the angles of a parallelogram are We have 4 options here. We have to choose the correct option. In each option, all the 4 angles are given. We have to choose the correct answer. So, what is a parallelogram? Let us draw a parallelogram first. What is a parallelogram? A parallelogram is a 4-sided polygon in which each pair of opposite sides is parallel and equal. It means here one pair of opposite sides is equal and parallel, and here another pair is there. This is also equal and parallel. It is a parallelogram. Let's say it is parallelogram ABCD. Okay. Now, one more thing we need to know, that in a parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. It means angle A is equal to angle C. Okay. And one more thing, angle here, angle D is equal to angle B. Okay. Opposite angles of parallelogram always equal. And here it is given that adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 1:5. Adjacent angles. What do you mean by adjacent angles? Which are not opposite. It means adjacent means what? Here A and C are opposite. Then what are adjacent angles? A and D are adjacent angles. A and D are adjacent angles here. Okay. So, adjacent angles are in the ratio 1:5. It means how we will solve it? It means angle A is to angle D. It is given that 1:5. Angle A is to angle D is equal to 1:5. So, it means angle A is equal to x, angle D is equal to 5x. We have to assume this. Okay. Then again the same thing. In the previous question we have used that concept. What was that? Sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Here angle A and angle D are also co-interior angles. See, DC and AB are parallel and AD transversal cuts. Okay, it means here co-interior angles are A and D. So here angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay. So what is angle A? X. What is angle D? 5x is equal to 180. Now it's very simple. 6x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 by 6. 6 3s are 18 and 0. It means x is equal to 30 degree. Now the question is, then all the angles of a parallelogram are. It means now we know that angle A is equal to x and angle D is equal to what? 5 into x. It means angle A is equal to 30 degree and angle D is equal to 30 degree and angle D is equal to what? 5 into 30. It means 150 degree. What is the opposite angle of angle A? Opposite angle of angle A is angle C. So angle C is also 30 degree. What is the opposite angle of angle D? Angle B. Angle B is also 150 degree. It means option A is correct. Okay. Suppose it is given in 2 marker or 3 marker. Okay. Then you can solve it in this way. Otherwise, no need to do all this and no need to solve in this way also. There is another way. There is a short trick to solve it. What is that? Here, see, if you find out the ratio here 30, 150 in option A, C. Let us check each and every option. First we will check Option A. So what is the ratio here? 30 in option A, 30 is to 150. If you find out, if you cancel it, okay, you will get 1 is to 5, isn't it? If you solve it, if you simplify it, you will get 1 is to 5. Okay. Similarly, 150, 30. If you solve it, okay, you will get 5 is to 1. It means adjacent angles you will get in the ratio 1 is to 5. It means option A is correct. Okay, without doing all this we can identify. In second option 85 is to 95. If you simplify it, you won't get 1 is to 5. Similarly, in C you won't get, in D also you won't get 1 is to 5. It is possible only in option A. Okay, so this is the easiest way to solve it. If it is given in MCQ, then you can use this trick. Okay, option A is correct. I hope you have understood it very well. Okay. So friends, I hope you have understood today's concepts clearly, but still if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you like my videos, please like and share. And let me remind you friends, I have already created a video on the topic comparing quantities, profit and loss. If you have missed that video, please go and check it out. For that, I will share the video link in the description box below. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.